Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Sabrina with you. We are going to study on computer vision, and today new topic is chapter 7, which is related to chapter 6, which is based on MSW logo. So what we are going to do, what we are waiting for, we will just start our chapter. Okay. As we have talked about MSW logo in the previous chapter, we can we already know about the home position, which is related to the turtle being in the center of the window where it is situated is called home position. But we know the new thing we are going to know about this is the commands we actually give to the MSW logo are called primitives. What are they called? Primitives. Okay. So to give a command, what you have to do, you have to follow few steps. You have to type your command in the input box, and you have to enter you have to press the enter key. Either you don't, if you do not press the enter key, the logo turtle will not start moving. And another thing you have to make sure is that the command can be given into the small letter or capital letter, doesn't matter, but there should be given space between the numbers and the words actually. Until you press the enter key or execute key, the execute key is located on the bottom right side of the window input box. I will show you when I will do the video of practical class. Definitely I will show you. I am very happy to let you know that I have already downloaded Find It Out for you, and I have downloaded the MSW logo on my computer so that I can show you. All I'm waiting for my tripod broke down. Actually, I broke it, and now I cannot fix my phone to the computer screen without shaking a little bit. So I'm not going to do that. After I'll get the tripod, I'm going to do practical class for you guys, and I know that you are happy, right? I hope you are happy. Anyway, so another thing, if you write your command incorrect on the time, an error message will be shown in your screen that your command is actually having something wrong in it. Okay. Another thing, the first thing we are going to learn about is forward command. Forward command is called FD. This is the short form of forward command, FD. You have to remember this. You have to take your highlighter and mark it down, because when they will give you, or I will give you the short form thing, on the time you have to do what? You have to write down forward command instead of FD. Okay. The forward command actually is used to move the turtle forward. Okay. The turtle actually we know that it is triangular shape, and you can see that the turtle is moving. For every 30 it is moving this much, 30 units, and for every 60 it is moving double of every 30. That means 60 units. Okay, so what you have to do for this, you have to type FD, then give a space, then type 30, then we have to press the enter key. And what you have to do, you have to if you don't want to press enter key, you have to press execute key. Okay, there's another command. This one is actually going forward. Okay, the turtle is going forward, pointing ahead, direction in the pointing head, pointed head, right? This one is called pointed head, and it is actually going in this direction, pointed head direction. Now backward command or BK. Okay, for that again the same step we are going to follow to take the turtle backward. Okay, back in the same position. Okay, back in the same position. Suppose the turtle move after 30 units over here, then if you give the BK space 30 and then enter, on the time the turtle will just go back in the same position earlier it was. Okay, this is how the logo turtle works. Okay, Direction of the turtle are actually based on like forward, backward, or left side or right side. When a command to change the direction is given, it only the head of the turtle tilts toward this side. Tilt, okay. Tilting means if we are commanding it to go to the right side, it will tilt over like this, okay. The head will go over like this, and if you command it is go to left side, then the head will go over like this, okay. So the turtle head moves in a circular path, either clockwise or anti-clockwise, okay. Clockwise means tick 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 like this, and anti-clockwise means going to the opposite direction of clock, that anti, tick 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 like this, okay. Now we are going to talk about RT, which one is called right command. It is, we actually, if you want to tilt your turtle's head in the right direction, if you on the time you have to use that command. Again in the same position, same commands, type RT space the units you want to choose, that one, that is given 60 over here, the number of degree. Now we are talking about number of degree already. If you in class 3, I think already you know about the angles and the protector, okay. So if you want to tilt it in the 60 degree, on that time you have to press 60. If you have to move it in a 90 degree, on that time you have to type 90, then press enter, okay. Exactly like this. You can see over here, if you type for 60 degree, the head was actually pointing on the upside, it tilted 60 degree over here. For 90 degree, exactly just snap in the 90 degree, 120 degree is looking like this, and 180 degree exactly just in opposite direction, okay. These are the position. You can see home position. No, this is the home, not home position. These are the position after home position, if you try to tilt the turtle head. Okay, now if you want to learn how to draw a circle, on the time what you'll have to do, you have to like circle. Let me take a copy. I think I have done little bit problem here. I was talking, but now I realized that the recorder button was paused, and it is a very, very unfortunate thing. Anyway, let me explain another time. This one is the home position. For moving forward, the turtle, if you want to talk about 50 units, then we will move forward on the time 50. Forward space 50. Then the turtle over will be over here. Now we have to tilt in the 90 degree so that the turtle can go over that way. 90 degree RT, 90 degree RT space 90, okay. Just to till that one in that direction. After that, to move on the if 50 unit, we have to go for FD 50, okay. For this one, we are going to give this to going forward for 50 unit, as we are drawing square, and you know that every side of the square are actually equal. So for this forward 50 units, we have to type FD space 50. Now the turtle will stop over here, and we have to tilt the turtle's head according to the 90 degrees, so that we can go on that direction. Sorry, excuse me, that direction. This is where we are going to type RT space 90, so that the turtle move in the 90 degree direction and it can come over that way. Now for this, from here to there, for 50 unit, we are going to type FD 50, then press enter. The turtle will be over here. Again we need to go on that direction. This is why we are going to type RT space 90. I hope this is you can understand this, because it looks like little bit messy, but it's actually correct one. Now for this one to this one, it is already 50 units. So what you have to do after tilting the turtle's head, you have to press FD space 50 for the turtle to come over here, so that you can see a perfect square drawn in your what should I say, um, window of turtle. And here is the computerized type part. You can see it is going up to that way, upside. For FD50 it is going upside. For tilting it that direction, we have to give RT90, then again forward direction, then again tilting on that side, so that it can go over here, and again for tilting it RT90 until tilted over like this, then forward direction like this, so it will be a perfect circle. Okay, now we are going to talk about another command is left command, like the RT, which one is right command. Okay, so this one is, for this one we have to turn the logo head on the anti-clockwise. RT is actually turning it into clockwise, and the LT is turning the logo head in the anti-clockwise of the actually to the left side. Okay, for this we have to take the same command, like type LT, then space, then the number, which one you want to actually, the number of degree which one you actually want to tilt it into on the left side, so that you have to press it and then press your enter key, so you can have the desired angle for your turtle's head. You can see that we are using LT command for drawing a square over here. For LT command, the turtle's head will be turned on the left side, you can see over here, but in the previous page it was actually pointing on that side, and this one it is actually pointing on the that side, anti-clockwise. The direction just a little bit changed with LT command, but exactly following the 7th step we have, we just, oh, there is actually a rectangle, they draw a rectangle over here. It's totally fine, you just need to measure it. They move their forward is 70 unit, going 70 unit, then it is going 50 units, so it would become a rectangle for this side. Okay, now you can see the home position. The home command is used to bring the turtle to its starting position. You can bring the turtle to the center of the screen using the home command. Suppose the turtle is at some point, like this point, okay, a point, and if you give the home command on that time, the turtle will just go on that side, over here, without any moving further. Okay, so it is the home command. And this one is clear screen command. If you want to clear your screen, that screen, that one or that one, the final one, or whatever it is in your screen, if you want to clear the screen, you have to just command CS for clear screen. Okay, CS, and then press enter. Okay, just the anything you have drawn in your window, it will be completely erased by this command, and the turtle will be at the home position once again. I would like to tell you that you need to memorize this, the forward FD command, backward BK command, or RT right angled, or left angled, LT home position, clear screen SC. These are actually very important for you. You have to memorize that kind of. If you can, you just remember it, totally fine. The most favorite part in my reading session is now I know what we know. Okay, we know about home position. We know that the commands are called primitives, the logo commands. In logo, the commands are called primitives. Forward for FD, backward for BK, right angle command is actually RT, left angle command is called LT. The home command to take the logo head into the position of logo screen, and the CS command is called clear skin command. Now you have already known everything. You can see that the commands are also called primitives. Okay, the first one is primitives. The second one is the short form of back command is BK, capital letter BK. The command to move the turtle forward by 20 steps is written as RT. Sorry, that one is FD, not RT, FD 25. Okay, FD 25, forward means FD space 25. There should be a space, so you need to keep a little bit space between the number and the a word or letter. You should press enter key after typing the command, enter key. Okay, the fourth number is enter key. SC command stand for clear screen, to clear your screen. That one is that. Now you can see that I'm just going to tell you the answers, but not going to tell you the correct answer, because I'm going to give the correct answer with this exercise, so that you have to wait for a little bit. The first one is the turtle can move any direction. Okay, it's actually okay, the first one is actually true. Why it is true? Because the turtle actually moves with our command, and if we can give it a directed path like FD 50 or FD 30 moving forward, or right angle based command, it can go in any direction with our command. Actually, it cannot move without our instructions, but it can move in any direction if you want it to. So backward, forward and clear skin are primitives. Definitely it is true. If a home command is given, the figure will be completely erased, and you will get a logo screen with turtle moved in the home position. Definitely it is false, because the screen will not be completely erased. The figure will not be completely erased, and you will get the clear logo screen with the turtle in home position. Okay, and that for one, the RT command is used to turn the turtle head anti-clockwise. No, LT is actually used to turn the head of turtle into anti-clockwise. LT, not RT. RT is actually moving the direction, clockwise direction, moving the turtle into clockwise direction. The SC command is used to erase the drawing of the screen. It is true. Okay. Oh, I gave you all answers. Like, yes, I gave you all answer with telling you which one is correct and which one is not correct, and why it is not correct, and what is the correct answer. So I will see you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.